channel, my name is BeautiCo. Welcome to BeautiCo. What's up? What's going on? So today I was just sitting to get ready and I was like, let's switch on my camera and get ready with you guys. So today I wanted to also share with you guys the look that you guys have been requesting me non-stop. This is the look right here. I posted it on my Instagram and you guys loved it, and so many of you wanted a tutorial on this. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna sit and get ready in front of the camera and do this particular look. So let's quickly get into the tutorial. I do not want to make the intro too long, but before going, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so that you guys get notified every single time I upload. So let's get ready. So I'm just going to tell you quickly what I'm going to be using for my base. For my primer, I'm going to be using the same thing which I use every single day, and I think you guys must have gotten bored, but I'm using the NYX Totally Control Raw Primer. Then for my foundation, I'm going to be using the Superstay 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation. This is bomb, you guys. If you're an oily skin type looking for a good full coverage foundation which does not feel heavy, cakey, and lasts like the entire day, definitely give this one a try. I am in love, you guys. You guys should definitely try this one out. It's bomb. I cannot stop raving about it, and I cannot stop using it as well. Then for my concealer, I'm gonna go in with my trusty concealer, the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Medium. I know better than to call back. I missed your call, I finally think I'm fine with that. I know it hurts when love bites back, but it's your fault, I wish you'd just accept that. I got a better place to be, where the only focus is me. Neon wavelets got me feeling like I'm flying. And then I'm gonna go ahead and set everything with my Pitney Loose finishing powder in the shade Light Medium. I suppose this is like one of the best setting powders out there as of now. It's so good. It's finely milled. It makes your skin look smooth. Everything looks flawless after this, but make sure that you apply just a little bit because it can get a little bit heavy. So that's what I did for the first time I used it. I hated it, but then I tried little by little. Like, I was seeing other people's reviews as to how they use this powder, and I tried that, and oh my god, ever since then I've been using this powder non-stop. So I also finished doing my eyebrows. For that I just used my Eyebrow by Benefit, and I did fill it in with the Savannah Colors eyebrow powder as well. My brow routine hasn't changed, you guys, but if you all want a dedicated tutorial on how I do my brows, let me know. I've been holding on to these dreams. I'm ready to take the leap, 'cause I've been holding like any oysters. I'm going to be using the PAC Ultimate Shadowbox in the shade Mauve, you guys. I have been loving this palette. I have been using this non-stop every day. This one is my personal favorite. I also have the Ultimate Shadowbox in Smoked Out Sass. This is what it looks like, and this is also a very beautiful palette, but this is more like a cool toned brown palette, but I reach for the Mauve one way more than this one. So I'm first going to use this shade right here, this beautiful pinky shade, like a lighter pink shade, on my PAC 104 brush. This is like a very fluffy blending brush, and I am gonna apply this directly onto my crease and my transition area. And you see how pigmented these eyeshadows are, and they blend so beautifully. Where the only focus is me. Neon wavelets got me feeling like I'm flying. I've been
take this shade right here. This is like a darker pinky mauve shade, and I'm gonna take that on my PAC 107 brush, and I'm gonna apply this directly onto my crease, and I'm just gonna keep it there, like right in my crease. And as you guys can see, I'm just turning my brush in this manner, so just following the curve of our crease. And then again, I'm just gonna take the same fluffy brush and just blend this out. And then I'm gonna take the star of the show, this color right here. It is a beautiful goldeny, pinky, metallic color. I am in love with this shade. It is so beautiful. And I'm gonna be applying this with my PAC 102 brush. Do you see that shade? It is beautiful. I'm not even using a wet brush, just I'll just show you how it applies with fingers itself. You see that? That is blinding, you guys. And I'm just gonna shape my eyes with it. So it doesn't have to be like a precise application, but I'm trying to get as precise as possible.
I know better than to call back. I missed your call.
So now we're gonna apply the winged eyeliner, and for that I'm gonna be actually using the Nykaa's Eyem Bold Kajal. So this is what I'm gonna be using to apply my eyeliner. Can you believe that, you guys? It's not tough. In fact, this is one of the best eyeliners I have used. It's so black. And I'm gonna be applying my eyeliner with my Pro Art AB34 brush. You see how black and smooth it is? So this is it for the eyes, and now I'm just gonna complete the entire look using the Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. And I'm also gonna apply falsies because I did apply falsies in that particular look that I showed you guys. And the falsies that I was wearing was this one, the Nazaaqat by Henaa Beauty. Oh my god, these lashes are so comfortable to wear. I am using this particular pair non-stop, and they look so beautiful and so fluttery. They are not very long. They are more like a natural to a little bit of a glam side, and love these. They're very easy to apply as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna apply lash glue on my eyelashes, and I'm gonna let it dry. Till that time, I'm gonna finish the rest of my face. We're gonna move on to blush now. For blusher, I'm gonna be using the Nykaa's Get Cheeky Blush Duo in the shade Malibu Barbie, and I'm gonna be using both the shades right here. I have been loving this blush as well. Non-stop I have been using this blush. It's so beautiful. So love this blush. And I also do apply it right here, just to give that baby flush. So my camera stopped recording and I completed applying my highlighter, but I'm gonna apply it once more so that you guys see it. The highlighter that I'm gonna be using is the PAC Baked highlighter in the shade 02. I have been loving this as well. Like, even if I layer this highlighter a lot, it still doesn't look chunky. You see that? That's what I'm talking about. And then I'm also going to apply this highlighter in my inner corners with this PAC 106 pencil brush. Then we are going to apply lipstick. For lipstick, I'm going to be applying the Faces Canada Ultime Pro HD Intense Matte Lips Plus Primer. Oh my god, such a long name. But this is in the shade Natural Coco, and this is what I'm going to be using as my lipstick. It's such a beautiful pinky nude shade. And the formula of these are also very, very good. Like, they are not drying, they last a pretty long time. And over that, they have 17 shades, which is amazing. If you guys must have seen the Insta video that I made on these, the lip swatch video, you will see all the shades that they have. They are so beautiful. This is how I got this makeup look right here. I hope you guys learned it, and if y'all do recreate it, don't forget to tag me in your photos so that I can see your recreations. But yeah, I hope you guys learned, and I am pretty late right now, so I'm gonna go, and I'll see y'all in my next video very, very soon. Until then, bye!